Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to update the North Commerce CSS variables so you're able to change all of the North Commerce components directly inside of your e-commerce store. So all this orange is the default colors inside of North Commerce that come with the shortcodes out of the box. So if you're using a block editor, I'd recommend you using our North Commerce blocks. But if you're using something like Bricks or Elementor, Divi, or Oxygen, you're going to have to use our shortcodes for now. Um, just for the record, our shortcodes are fairly opinionated in terms of the design as of right now. In this video, I'll show you how to update the color so everything can fit the theme of your site. But in the future, and as community members and all of you guys request specific features for your specific builder, then um, then we'll work on that, or other developers may find an opportunity to may find that there's a large demand for that and can build that as well. So in this example, I have this is just a regular block theme, and what I could do is in a block theme, what I would do is I'd go here to Editor, and I would go to Styles, and I would update the colors and the styles of the theme. So I could come in here and I could make this black, and my all my elements that are using the primary color for the theme would update. So in theory, if I set this up correctly, this button right here should even update. But in this example, I'm just going to show you guys how to add additional CSS to update the colors of just the North Commerce components. So the product page, the coupon container, the cart drawer, and the checkout page. So a little cheat sheet we can look at is if we go to docs.northcommerce.com and we go to the styling tab here on the left side, you'll see that there's the global CSS variables, and this is for all the North Commerce shortcodes using the parent container NC container. Um, we have the product gallery, the product page, which is uses NC container, the cart drawer, and the checkout page, and also the coupon container. So as I'm recording this, I'm also writing documentation here. So if I refresh this, I'll see the coupon container here as well. So what I'll do is I will add all of these to the um, my additional CSS area here. So I can go copy paste these, and whatever builder you're using, generally they have a global CSS area. If you want to add this to the specific page for this particular each particular wherever these shortcodes live, you can do that as well. But for this example, just to be quick and dirty, we're gonna just add it to the global area, and then in the future, you'll have blocks for Bricks and Elementor and Beaver and all of those other builders. That's the goal at least. So so we'll go back here and we can update this color. So let's see, we could find a nice color to update it to. Let's see, maybe this nice green color here at the top. So we want to update all of the oranges to the greens. So anywhere where it has this FF5500 color, we want to update that to the green. So I'll just copy and paste all of that. And if you want, I can work on maybe a guide for where all these variables associate with, and then like the theme color is gonna edit this, the primary border color is gonna edit that, the inactive border color is gonna be this or that. So I'll make that the blue as well, and then or the green as well, and then for this example, you'll know what all of that is assigned to. But you might just have to experiment. Click on the product page and then see for yourself what's getting updated. Okay, so you might see we've updated the colors here, and the colors still are the same. So this depends on how opinionated your theme is that you're using, or the builder that you're using is. So what you could do is, if you wanted to, just to double check, you could select the container. We could scroll down. So we see NC container here with all the primary colors. Then we see this NC container, and it's loading the styles on that page, but it looks like this style is it has more precedence than this one. So for the sake of making life easy, what we could do is just add important after each of these. So all the ones that we updated, or just all of them in general, we can add this important um, flag here at the end of the CSS. And then we can make sure that's updating. So now we're seeing that everything is updating. So all we need to do now is just update the color for the title here. Um, and it looks like this is getting the color from the theme itself. And then if I'm to look in here, what we'll see here is that this particular one is using blocks in this example. I could update this to the same green color that we had just added. If you're using if you're using another builder or theme, then you could just update it with that, or it would just automatically have updated. So if I update this now, then we'll see that all of that has updated. So now when I add an item to my cart, I see that the cart button in the cart drawer is also orange still. So what we can do is go to the documentation and find the cart drawer. We can copy this one as well. And we'll add this CSS. So I'm going to use the same colors and important right here. So I want to handle the theme color, and then the border color, and then the air colors, the top border color, and the secondary font color all should be fine. So now if I refresh the page, click on the cart icon, I'm getting that as green as well. So that looks good. So I'll hit checkout, and here we have a couple things happening. We have this promo code area, these terms and conditions, continue shipping. If I type in an email, we have this area here, and then this button as well, and then these icons. These icons may not update with a CSS change. These are SVGs, but I'll provide code for that as well in the documentation to update those. So inside of the checkout area, we can add this as well. And I'll go to the same area and paste that as well. And here we'll update the theme color. The disabled theme color, we'll just paste it, and then I'll add a 3 at the end to give it a 30% transparency. And error color, secondary theme color, and secondary border color all should be fine right now. And we can check what that looking like so far. Okay, that looks awesome. So I can make sure. So we have the green terms and conditions, privacy policy, continue shipping. If I go here, we have green here, and then these SVGs right here are still orange. We can update that, no problem. What I want to do is tackle this coupon area. So you don't have to have all of this inspect elements stuff open at all. I just want to show you where all these things live. So NC promo code container has these two colors, the theme color and the font color. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the docs here and go to the coupon container, and I'm just going to copy and paste that as well. And what I could do is I could add a comma to this and add that same styling to there. But what I'll do is, just for the sake of this example, I'm going to keep them all separated just so we can have the distinction of the different um, the different components or shortcodes. So I'm going to do the same thing here. Update this color. Make sure there's not two hashtags. And then I'll save that. And then from here, I'll refresh. And now the promo code is that green color. It looks like I might have accidentally deleted something here. I had kept this comma, so no worries there. I'll hit refresh on that. And now all of that should be looking good. If we go here to the cart page now, we have this orange button as well, and we have the same coupon container is being used here as on the checkout, so that automatically updated that as well. So what we'll do is we'll handle this color here. So this is on the NC cart button, and we can check what that's looking like. So this is using NC main wrapper. And so what I'll do is I'll copy this, and this will be all added to the documentation here. I'll add cart page as well to this. And then we'll paste that. I'll copy that same colors here, and we'll paste those. The primary font color I'm totally fine with keeping. If you want to update that to something else, you could definitely do that as well. I'll refresh the page, and I have the green here. So now all that's left to change is these icons here, right there, and then the payment icon as well. Okay, so we have all these icons right here. So what I'll do is provide documentation to update all of these colors as well, and we'll do the same way. Okay, so now what we'll do is go to the checkout icons area, and we'll update all of the colors here. So I'll go to here. I had previously copy and pasted some code here. And then make sure we change the color right there. And I'll hit save. We'll refresh this. And then we can go through the checkout normally. And all of our icons will be that new green. And I'll just type in some fake information here just to get through the checkout. And all that looks good. And then save and continue, and this is the final outcome. So then I can place the order and make a purchase. All that looks great. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any special requests or want to learn anything more about North Commerce, please comment in the comment below on this video, and I'd be happy to make as many tutorials for any specific thing you guys need. Thank you.